Over 5 million of you guys love the microwave hot pot recipe that was trending last year. It's such an easy way to meal prep something hot and satisfying on the go.
Let's make easy microwave hot pot. So good.
I love eating hot meals. After a long day of work, cold sandwiches just don't do it for me anymore. I'm using bok choy cabbage and chewy rice cakes as my base. Pro tip, you can also stuff frozen beef rolls with enoki mushroom to make these cute little rolls. For the soup, I'm adding some sesame oil, yuzu ponzu, chili oil, and dashi. When reheating, just add a cup of water and microwave for 6 minutes. Remember to try and use glass or ceramic containers. Enjoy.